Another month, another BYD launch, and Malaysia is the first country in Southeast Asia to receive this, the BYD Sealion. Let's check it out. There are two variants available, Premium and Performance, and the specifications are nearly identical. The only differences between them is rim size, tyre choice, performance and range. The Premium variant comes with 19-inch wheels with Continental Eco Contact tyres, while the Performance variant comes with 20-inch wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport EV tyres. The front section looks very much like the BYD Seal. It comes with air curtains by the side of the front bumper. It comes with flush door handles, and at the back, what I really like is the very sporty looking spoiler and the water drop-like tail lights. Again, just like the BYD Seal. As I've said earlier, there are two variants for the BYD Sealion, the single motor rear-wheel drive model and the dual motor all-wheel drive model. The more powerful BYD Sealion Performance produces 530 horsepower, 690 Newton meters of torque, good for a 0 to 100 time of just 4.5 seconds. Both variants come with an 82 kWh battery capable of offering up to 567 kilometers of range. It can take 11 kilowatts of AC charging and up to 150 kilowatts of DC charging. If you think the proportions of the BYD Sealion looks very familiar, well, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. That's because the size and dimensions of this car is very similar to the Tesla Model Y and the recently launched Xpeng G6. The moment you enter the car, the first thing you'll notice is the panel ahead of the front passenger. Not only does it illuminate, but there is also a dynamic movement with different colors available. As for the upholstery, the entire interior is decked out in really soft Nappa leather. For that extra premium and luxurious feel, you get a huge panoramic moonroof, ventilated front seats, double glazed windscreen and front windows, along with privacy glass at the rear. Just like the BYDs, that huge infotainment touchscreen in front can be rotated either vertically or horizontally. At the front, you have a 58-litre frunk, while at the back here, you have a 500-litre boot. For entertainment, you have a 12-speaker Dyna Audio sound system. For that added practicality, just like other BYDs, you have the vehicle to load or V2L function where you can plug in your appliances with a 3-pin plug point available. The BYD Sealion Premium starts from 183,000 ringgit, while the more powerful Performance variant starts from 199,000 ringgit. For those interested, you better hurry up because early bird offers include a complimentary home charger and 800 ringgit worth of charging credits. This car comes with a 6-year warranty for the vehicle and 8-year warranty for the electric motor, the batteries and such. For more information on the BYD Sealion, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.